Trace both the front and the back of her shirt. Trace the sleeves as well, but remember this is going to be a long sleeve shirt, so add some length to the sleeves. The shirt that I'm tracing has the sleeves different in the front and the back, so trace out both front and back on separate pieces of paper and then tape them together like so. You get one single piece of sleeve pattern like this. Cut them out on fabric and remember to leave little notches like this at the front of the sleeves so that you can differentiate which is the front part of the sleeve and which is the back. Measure the bottom of the sleeves and use this measurement to calculate the bell sleeves on this website. I used a quarter skirt measurement for this. Then use the measurements to draft out the bell bottoms. Cut them out of fabric and you should have 2 of it. Attach it to the bottom of the sleeves. Attach the front and back pieces at the shoulder seams. And remember the notches that we made on the sleeves earlier? Use it to differentiate left and right sleeves and attach them to the body piece. I like to find the middle of the sleeves and match it to the shoulder seams so that everything matches up nicely. Sew the underarm area of the shirt. At the center front of the shirt, measure and mark 10 cm and cut. Prepare a long as bias tape and cut about 28 cm of it. Attach that bias tape to the neckline that you just cut. Once you attached it, it should look like this. Fold it together and sew a little triangle at the bottom. This will help to have your neckline stay flat and nice. At the rest of the bias tape, find the midpoint and match it to the center back of the shirt. Attach the rest of the bias tape as usual. Sew the rest of the bias tape closed, and all that's left to do is to hem the bottom. Hem all the raw edges and you're done!